Hello everyone, I am Chandana. Our team is here to give the project presentation on traffic density monitoring and controlling system using machine learning. First, we would like to thank VTU for selecting our project for Avishkar final round. As soon as we hear the name machine learning, two questions arises. What is machine learning and why machine learning? What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and it is managed by the use set of data. And why machine learning? Suppose if we consider one company where there are only 10 members in a company so that the CEO can remember easily their data. Suppose if 1000 employees are more than that, the CEO can't remember their data. So there comes the machine learning application. In our project, we're gonna acquire the data from ultrasonic sensors with the help of microcontroller and PLX stack. The data will be stored in Excel sheet. This data is pre-processed. Using this data, the prediction is done where 99% of accuracy is obtained. Okay, this is the execution plan. What we're gonna use for our project. Requirements. There are two types of requirements: hardware requirements and software requirements. Specification: which kind of sensor is used for our project and which version is used for our project. Design and implementations. Using this to design our model and implementations. Using verification, it is of two types: unit test and system test. In verifications, we're gonna run the code and product is released to the market. There will be many upgradations. We're gonna maintain and upgrade it. Okay, let us consider a fixed boundary. In middle of that, our model is spaced with the desired distance of 400 centimeters. For reference, speed of sound equals 343 meter per second at 25 degrees Celsius. With the help of microcontroller, PC or any laptop, the data is stored in Excel sheet. Okay. Here the sensor having data that is stored in Excel sheet. That data is acquired by the data acquisitions. If any unwanted values or any unwanted noise is there, that will be removed by data preprocessing. Data visualization is of graph method. Data splitting is of two types: train and test. The data is trained for 70% and the 30% of data is tested. This is of detection part, and prediction part is about machine learning model where we're gonna use logistical regressions for the random value of x. And verification is of three types: accuracy, precision and F1 score, where we obtained our perfect accuracy. Okay. Consider a traffic circles where we are going to place the sensors of the four sides. The vehicles are moving towards the sensors when the distance is increases. According to the fuzzy logic, and if vehicle is far away from the sensor, the distance, the value of the vehicle is increases. Fuzzy logic is the real valued applications. If we are taken 1 and 0, we will set 0 as decreasing and 1 as increasing. That means 1 means fast and 0 means slow. It has some assumptions. It will move only in clockwise directions. If suppose any animal come in between the moving object, it will take the value from the first and it can't return back. If it moves from S1 to S4, the vehicle has to pass S2 and S3. It will cross those two paths, then it will come S4. It can't take return back to go from S2 and S1 like that. Okay. This is the example where we are taken Bangalore as an example before implementation and after implementations. As you can see, before implementation there is a more traffic before implementation of our project. After implementation of our project, the traffic is less. This will be explained by my project. project teammate Kaushik.
Hello everybody, I am Kaushik. So I am gonna explain about our project prototype model. Orientations of sensors. As you can see, there are four ultrasonic sensors and one Arduino board where we connect all the four sensors to the Arduino board and the sensor collects the uh, detects the object and sends the electrical signal to the Arduino board, and Arduino board collects the data and store it in an Excel sheet. So hardware requirements, it requires HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Mega 2560 microcontroller, jump wire, USB cable, laptop or PC, or COM3 port. So I am going to explain about hardware HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor. Where ultrasonic sensor, it uses sonar to detect and distance of an object like bats or dolphin does. Ultrasonic sensor consists of four pins: trigger pin, echo pin, VCC, ground. It operates. How does ultrasonic operates? It operates by emitting high frequency sound waves from a trigger pin of 40 kilohertz and receiving echo reflected by the object at the echo pin. It offers non-contact detection with high accuracy and stable readings. And the operating voltage of ultrasonic sensor is 5 volts and working current is 15 milliamps, and it has a ranging distance of 2 centimeter to 400 centimeters, and the pulse width of an ultrasonic sound wave is 10 microseconds. So I'm going to explain about Arduino Mega 2560, where Arduino Mega, it is a microcontroller board based on the HUTMEGA 2560. It has 54 digital pins, 15 can be used as PWM, where 16 analog inputs, 4 UARTs, and hardware serial ports, and 16 megahertz crystal oscillator of frequency, and pulse width modulation is used to get analog results with digital means, and UART is universal synchronous receptor and transmission. It has a SRAM of 8 kb and its operating voltage is 5 volts, and DC current of each input output pin is 40 milliamps. It is programmed by using Arduino software IDE. So software requirements. Arduino IDE is used to code or program the Arduino board and PLX DAC. And for prediction and for and accuracy, we are going to use Jupyter, PyCharm, and for to store the data, we are going to use Microsoft Excel. So languages used is Python for Jupyter, and Arduino coding used in Arduino software. Resultant discussion. Moving object detection is done and distance is calculated by ultrasonic sensors. All these historical values and real values are trained and tested by using a machine learning algorithm called logistic regression. By this, we can do the prediction and we can get accuracy and F1 score, where it can obtain 90%, 99% of accuracy can be obtained by using logistic regression. Advantages of my project is the motion and distance of an object can be detected under no light and low light, and motion of the objects detected and predicted based on historical values. It gives non-contact distance of an detection of an object, and the memory required to store the collected data in our project is memory is very small, and its working voltage is also very low of 5 volts, and the prediction made using logistical regression has high accuracy and precision. So applications. It can be used in to control density of a traffic or to monitor and to collect that data and gyroscope. In gyroscope, it is used in satellite orbital motion where we can control the orbit motion of a satellite in a fixed orbit. Sports or winning prediction, and it can be used in gaming predictions also. Conclusion. In our model, we use logistic regression algorithm to detect to do the prediction of the collected data from the sensors. Now, a logical model is created to give out prediction accuracy, F1 score, and to calculate the prediction. And this can be done by using machine learning algorithm, which allow the machines to learn on their own. The data acquired is analyzed, visualized, and used for future predictions by using logistic regressions. Future work. The collected data or the predicted data which we got by doing by using logistic regression can be given to government for further work where they can implement. The government can construct bridges or lights, or it can extend the road to control the density of the traffic depending upon the collected or the predicted data that we provide to them. And this model can be used in automatic driving system also. Thank you for this opportunity for giving us to explain about our project. Thank you.